African footballers have achieved remarkable career success, enabling them to enjoy luxurious lifestyles, including owning private jets. According to Atlantic Ride, here is an updated list of some prominent African football players known for owning private jets. Number 10. Gervinho. Having had stints with Arsenal and other clubs, the former Ivory Coast international reportedly owns a private jet. The addition of a private jet to his collection of cars is part of his luxurious lifestyle. Number 9. Wilfried Zaha. The former Crystal Palace forward is well known for his skillful play and fun lifestyle. Zaha reportedly owns a private jet, a symbol of his successful career in the Premier League. Number 8. Alex Iwobi. The Nigerian footballer playing for Fulham is reported to own a private jet, reflecting the wealth accumulated over his career. Alex Iwobi has a market value of approximately £25 million as of 2025. Number 7. Asamoah Gyan. The all-time highest goal scorer for Ghana's national team, Gyan, known for his lavish lifestyle, owns a private jet. He served as the captain of the Ghana national team and is known for his significant contribution to both club and international football. Number 6. Souleymane Tari. Former Ghanaian midfielder who played for clubs such as Milan and Portsmouth, also owns a private jet, highlighting his successful career earnings. He played as a midfielder and spent most of his career at various clubs, including his last stint back in his country with Hearts of Oak. Number 5. Emmanuel Adebayor. The Togolese former footballer who played for clubs like Arsenal, Real Madrid and Manchester City is known for his affluent lifestyle, including owning a private jet. He is known for his luxurious lifestyle, which includes multiple homes in different countries and an impressive collection of vehicles. Number 4. Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. The Gabonese striker, known for his impressive contributions at Arsenal, Borussia Dortmund, Marseille and Barcelona, is also among the African footballers who own a private jet, often showcased on social media. His performances have been pivotal in earning him such extravagant assets. He has been seen traveling in his private jet, showcasing his lifestyle and personal choices. Number 3. Mohamed Salah. Playing for Liverpool, the Egyptian forward is one of the highest paid African footballers. His contributions to Liverpool's success have enabled him to own a private jet. He has been with Liverpool since 2017 and is one of the greatest players to have played in the English Premier League. Salah was also named one of Time magazine's 100 most influential people in 2019. Number 2. Didier Drogba. The Ivorian football legend, best known for his time at Chelsea, is among the most influential and wealthiest African players. His successful career has allowed him to afford a private jet. Didier Drogba owns a $76 million customized Versace private jet featuring exotic interior design. He purchased this private jet to celebrate his 45th birthday, highlighting his success and status as one of the wealthiest African football players. And number 1 is the marvelous Samuel Eto'o. The retired Cameroonian striker, renowned for his time at Barcelona and Inter Milan, has been among the highest paid African footballers. His career success is reflected in his ownership of a private jet. The former Barcelona striker reportedly owns a Bombardier Challenger 604, estimated to cost between $6 million and $7 million US dollars as per Liebach Jets. And in addition, African players have not only achieved success on the football field, but also enjoyed the perks of their hard work, including the luxury of private jets. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being with us. See you next time. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and sharing. God bless you.